This box here I got, it was inherited to me from my grandfather who passed in 1994, and I refinished it, and a lot of his same tools I saved and are in the box. And he worked during the war of World War II, and he actually made springs at a place called Tim Springs in Elyria, Ohio. And he stopped using this box in 1954. He started building houses back then. I inherited the box. It was in very poor shape. I refinished it, and I put a little something about him and how he used it and so on to follow the box through the next couple generations and so on. So hopefully it stays in the family. So anyhow, we think he got the box in the early 1930s. He took a correspondence course through the mail to learn tool and die making, and he used that skill for 20 to 25 years.